Well, we've got this Kingswood back here again, just to put air conditioning in it, because he's found a factory air conditioning box that needs a good clean and new hoses and stuff. So I'll keep that here and make it all pretty, and then get all the fittings we need and the new TX valve and coil clean it, because it's a bit manky. Like, that's the outlet, so imagine what the inlet looks like. Pretty bad. But either way, enough of that one. Just having a look under the bonnet. Previous videos changed the gas converter hoses, but today I was looking at the heater hoses, going, ew, they're old and cracked. And so we'll just stick some heater hoses on it now, and then we'll have some fun. Yes, heater hose. It's going to be a very hot day tomorrow, and he's going to go on a very long trip. And you can see that's just old and rooted. So, I was just pointlessly under this car for no real reason apart from tightening up the bottom hose clamps. And I just casually saw this brake hose. That's just fucking terrible. That should have been changed 20 years ago. It's rock hard. It's one of the cotton wrapped ones. Listen to it. Makes tapping noises. I think next time he comes down, if he doesn't crash into a tree, I think I'll send them off and get them remade for him while he waits. Nasty. Quality control cat. He's doing his job nicely. Is everything all good? Car nice and soft? Yeah. He's a good boy. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, yes you are. Well, now we've got some new hoses and it's all like bled through and everything nice. It's got Brian's bones up again. Good old Brian. Hello. So yes, that's done for today. Just got to do some measurements to get, order a condenser. And next time we see it, should have compressor bracket and everything on it, pulleys. Might do electric fan conversion just for the fun of it. And yeah. So, slowly but surely you'll get up to the Jagnut standards. The wiring's nice in it. I wonder who did that. Pretty. Ah, the wonderful sound of a V8. With a manual in it now. I managed to brake twice when I drove it last. Gear stick ended up down here somewhere. Yeah, it does that. I got confused. Go for a little test drive with dirty camera lens. Make sure I tune this thing right. Temperature and everything's nice. Radiator's doing a wonderful job. Sorry about the dirty camera lens, people. That sounds much better now. It goes better than my 5 litre now. Yeah. Not bad for a 253. Now floor at 4. Like see a few pings. Yeah, she's fine. You'll over up at low revs and see if you get a bit of piston rattle to make sure that the timing's just right. She's happy. See how good these brake hoses are. Shit, there's a pole over there. Nice. This should give him a fucking 6-cylinder Jag a run for his money now. Much better than it was the first time I saw it.
Oh, this thing?
Yeah. Back then it was a bit broken, especially that drive to Repco. Where do you want to go? Happy car. Yeah, it sounds much happier now. Quality control cat always knows the best spot to sit. He's such a cutie. You looking for mice, are you? Yes, you are.